The best digital cameras in 2021 let you capture stunning photos and videos, offering a unique peek into the world. Thanks to technological advancements, they can be used by anyone, be it professionals, enthusiasts, or amateurs. Digital cameras offer a high degree of versatility and customization thanks to the wide range of lenses you can choose from. If you're in the market for a new digital camera, we have compiled a list of the best digital cameras in India in 2020 with a range of options available across entry level, mid range, and high end. Number 1. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV comes equipped with a 30.4 MP camera with CMOS full frame sensor. Powered by the Digic 6 Plus image processing engine, this camera from Canon comes with features like dual pixel autofocus, an improved ISO dynamic range, and high precision with f2.8 and faster lenses. It has a 3.2-inch touchscreen and supports Wi-Fi as well as NFC. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is a feature-rich camera that lets you capture stunning images with ease. Number 2. The Nikon D750 is a great alternative if you want to effortlessly capture high-quality images with ease. It comes with a 24.3 MP camera with CMOS sensor and is powered by the XPEED 4 image processing engine. It has an excellent autofocus system that supports face recognition and tracking. Some other areas where it excels include dynamic range, burst mode, 1080p recording at 60 fps, and HDR. The Nikon D750 offers a high-end camera experience in a small and lightweight frame. Number 3. The Canon EOS 1500D sports a 24.1 MP camera with Digic 4 Plus processing engine. It supports burst shots at a maximum of 3 frames per second and has an ISO range of 106,400 which can be expanded up to 12,800. It has a 3-inch touchscreen and a 9-point autofocus system. It supports Bluetooth, NFC, and Wi-Fi connectivity. The Canon EOS 1500D is a noteworthy option if you are looking for an affordable yet high-quality digital camera. Number 4. The Nikon D5600 is one of the best value for money digital cameras in the market. It sports a 24.2 MP CMOS sensor and the upgraded XPEED 4 processor makes sure you get the best out of this lens. It can burst shoot at a speed of 5 frames per second and has an ISO range of 125,600 to ensure grain-free pictures even in low light conditions. In terms of connectivity, it supports Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and NFC. The Nikon D5600 is a great option and comes loaded with features that can help you get started with serious photography. Number 5. The Canon EOS 80D is another user-friendly digital camera that offers excellent image quality and a wide range of features. It comes with a 24.2 MP camera with CMOS sensor and is powered by the Digic 6 image processing engine. It supports dual pixel autofocus that allows you to focus quickly on any subject. It has a large ISO sensitivity range from 116,000 which can be extended to 25,600. It comes with a 3-inch LCD and supports Wi-Fi and NFC. The Canon EOS 80D is another option worth considering if you're looking for a high-end digital camera but don't want to break the bank for it. Number 6. The Nikon D3500 features a 24.2 MP CMOS sensor and is powered by the XPEED 4 processor. It supports full HD video recording and has a maximum shutter speed of 5 frames per second in burst mode. Its battery life is impressive, allowing you to click up to 1,550 images on a single charge. It supports Bluetooth connectivity, The Nikon D3500 is a great camera for beginners thanks to its impressive image quality and long battery life. All links are given in description.